I will show you a secret ICT trading strategy which has passed many people's funded challenges, and literally if you backtest it yourself, you can see for yourself that month after month it ends on profit. It's not a strategy where you sometimes go down to the 1 minute time frame, 3 minute, 5 minute, or sometimes go down to the daily bias and then go down to liquidity point or order block point. No, it's nothing like that. It's a set mechanical strategy which I will give you the trading plan for it. If you follow this, it's very easy to see, very easy to do, and once you do it, you execute your trade. You're not going to say, oh yeah, this looks nice or this doesn't look nice. You get into your trade, you make money, and then you go the next day. Literally, that's the best part about this strategy right here, and I'm going to teach you this in this video right now because this is the only final ICT strategy video you need. There's hundreds of ICT strategy videos on YouTube, none of them work. However, this video right here is the game changer because this is the one which will actually help you pass your challenges. So if you can't pass your challenge, or if you're not a profitable trader yet, or if you are trading for a long time and still haven't found consistency yet in a set strategy, this video is right for you right now. Okay, so watch this video to the end in order to change your life. Okay, so let's get straight into this. So the first thing we need for the strategy is we need to trade it on 3 pairs. So the 3 pairs are GBPUSD, so let me write that, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and SPX 500. Okay, they're the only 3 pairs you should trade the strategy on. The next thing you need is you need to start on the 5 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame only, and the 1 minute time frame, nothing else. Okay, if you use anything else, everything else doesn't work as good as the 5M and the 1M time frame. Okay, so the third thing we also need is we need to trade this on kill zone times, nothing else. Okay, I've never taught this I've never taught this strategy on YouTube before, so this is completely different, especially when you go down to the lower time frame and the 1 minute time frame to entry. Literally, it's nothing like market structure shift and displacement and enter. It don't even include market structure shift. That's the best part about the strategy right here. It's very easy to see, even if you're a beginner ICT strategy trader, or if you're intermediate and you're just trying to find a better strategy. This video again is for you. Okay, so let me just go on this kill zone time right here and show you a drawing example of how the strategy works right here, right now. Okay, so anyway, what we're going to do is we're also going to use an indicator. Again, I've talked about this indicator before. However, I've never gone through it straight step by step, like how to use this strategy with it. Okay, so when we turn on the indicator, we get the daily opening prices at 5 p.m. New York time, which is at 10 p.m. UK time. We get this green line, which is at 7 a.m. UK time, and literally the green line or red line, so this might be a red line or a green line, as you can see some other days. If you go on here, it's a green line and this is a red line. When it's a green line, it means you should buy. When it's a red line, it means you should sell. Okay, so anyway, how this what this indicator is based off is the ICT daily power of 3. So accumulation right here, manipulation, and distribution. This is what this entire indicator based off, and we're going to enter off the distribution leg, which helps us catch the most pips, the most precise entry, the most highest win rate, and again very high RR trades in order to actually help us pass out from the challenge in literally 1 or 2 trades. So anyway, what we're going to do before our trading time, we're just going to let market do whatever it wants. Okay, so let's just say it's going to do something like this, and then the red line opens. Okay, if the red line opens, that means you should enter sells, not buys. Okay, but you're not going to trade on this time right here, of course, unless you're at the kill zone time, which is from this red line all the way to this red line. Okay, so we're going to let market do whatever it wants to do. If it's a red line, it means it should enter sell. So what do we wait for? Buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity to be taken out? Wait for buy side liquidity to be taken out. But just quickly, literally 5 seconds, if you want me to pass your funded challenge for you, guaranteed in under 30 days, or you get your money back and what you paid for the funded challenge, so there's 0 risk on your side. Link in the description below. You can be funded up to 200k in literally a few days, or literally 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. Okay, if you don't need to be depend on capital, this will literally give you capital, and you need to spend less than $1,000, and you will literally become a funded trader. So don't be gambling your funded accounts. Actually do it the right way. Let us manage your account for you, and literally let us pass the funded challenge for you. It comes with lifetime signals, and it's also on a major offer right now, so if you miss out, you're gonna have to pay $1,250, so don't miss out on that. Okay, and we can also manage the account for you after passing, making you a consistent gain month after month. Okay, so anyway, if it's a red line, we're going to enter sells. So now we're going to wait for our kill zone times to form. This is our kill zone time from this red line up to this red line. This is the London kill zone time. So anyway, as soon as this happens, we wait for buy side liquidity to be taken out. Okay, it can literally just be a high. And also, what else we need to know is that if from this red line all the way to our trading times, if prices already touched the golden line, I'll tell you what I mean by the golden line. It's this line right here. Then do it into the trade. If it's already touched after our red line has formed or the green line has formed, if it has, don't trade. If it hasn't, trade. Okay, and if you want access to this indicator, link in the description below. What you do is you click the link on the description below, add to favorites, and then literally go on trading view, go right here, indicators, and then yeah, it's right over there. Okay, so anyway, as soon as it hits, wait for market to take out the high right there, and then as soon as it takes out the high, wait for a bearish engulfment candle to happen. It doesn't have to be a fully bearish engulfment candle. It can literally be a bearish engulfment candle of a body. Okay, so right here we got a candle. The next candle has to engulf the previous candle right here. So that's literally all we need. We don't need to market structure shift with displacement. We just need a little bit of displacement in order to actually know that market is actually changing direction. Okay, so market structure shift, we don't need anything else like enter off FVG. We only need this bearish engulfment candle or bullish engulfment candle, and then we enter our trade straight away. Where we can target is we can target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which in the long term works the best, or you can just target the golden line, which I'll talk about later. Okay, so now let me show you one example of how to actually use this strategy in your benefit, because this example right here is the real deal, but the next ones which I show you is the ones which will trick you out a lot, so make sure you watch the next ones properly. Okay, but before I carry on, I do want to say if you want to learn 2 way better strategies, then link in the description below and it will change your life. Again, it's only $50 lifetime, which is literally less than a cheap pair of shoes, less than when you're going to a restaurant out for a meal, and it's literally only $2 a day. You're willing to spend $50 on a meal, and you're not willing to spend $50 on some education to make you way more than someone even working as a doctor maybe. Then there's no hope for you. The reason why it's so cheap is because I'm going to do funding opportunities on my personal capital in the future. Again, 2 strategies which are absolutely bulletproof. They have a really high win rate and really high RR. As you can see, it also comes with a premium indicator, which 90% of the time, not this indicator, which 90% of the time tells you which direction London session is going to go. One-to-one support whenever you need. Also comes with live recorded calls where like I trade right in front of you. You can enter the same exact trade as me, and you can also learn at the same time why I'm entering the trade. If you want to pay with crypto or PayPal, email me right here. Again, $49.99 lifetime. You don't have to pay again. And again, it's going to go back to its normal price of $100 a month soon. So join today. Here are some Discord testimonials you can check for yourself. We've got an absolute killer group. Almost every single person's profitable, and literally the fact that I've barely been advertising for this like I slowed down my YouTube videos. The growth has been the exact same because people are referring their friends because they know this is the real deal community. Literally, so many people have become profitable. They all tell their friends to come on because this is the real deal community right here. $50 won't change my life, however, it will change your life. Let's just say your friend joins the mentorship and you don't. He has a way higher chance of becoming profitable, and you will miss out, and he won't. Okay, so again, sometimes you've got to take a risk. The funny part about this mentorship is that there is no risk right here. Okay, here's a little payout I got. Here's some funding challenges which I've passed. There's no risk for the mentorship at all, because $50, you would rather spend it on a day out of food. And there's no hope for you. Literally only $50, and again, your life will change. Here are some more student results. Link in the description below for more student results right there. And again, join the mentorship today. $50 lifetime. Let's get straight back into this video on this first example right over here. Okay, so first off, we open our bills and some C indicator. Is the line green or is the line red? Okay, the line's green. That means we should be entering buys. Okay, so what do we wait for? We wait for our kill zone time to form now. So now let's wait for that. Kill zone time to form, which is a few candles ahead. If I get it right there, there you go. Kill zone time formed, and then before our kill zone time formed, like literally as our trading time formed, kill zone time. There you go. This is where the kill zone time opened. Our recent low was right over here. We wait for a low to be taken out. Why? It's because we wait for sell side liquidity to be taken out when entering a buy. So now let's just wait for that to be taken out. And also the golden line thing, which I told you before. As soon as the green line formed right here, price still hasn't touched the golden line yet. Okay, that's very important to know, because the daily power of 3 wouldn't work if you don't have that as your rules. Okay, there you go. Price took out the liquidity right there. Now we wait for a bullish engulfment candle. There you go. This green candle bullish engulfed the body of this black candle right here, which is perfectly fine. Get into a trade right there, stop loss below the low, and again 1 to 2 RR. You can rinse and repeat the strategy, and you'll make a lot of money from it. Okay, this ends up running way more, but that's only one example right there. Let me show you the next example right now, and this is the one which will confuse you out a lot, so make sure you watch this one carefully and properly. So this one right here, again, will confuse you a lot out. Okay, so let's get back to this trading time. So anyway, is the line green or is the line red? Okay, the line's green. That means it should enter buys. Has price tapped into the golden line yet after the green line formed? No, it hasn't. It's completely fine with me. Now our kill zone times are about to form literally right here. Where's the low? Price had this low right here. Price also had this low right here. And the kill zone times have also formed, as you can see if I put one time ahead. There you go, they have already formed with this black candle right over there, which took out the lows. So now we go down to the 1 minute time frame. Now we look for a bullish engulfment candle. Okay, so this is where you need to be patient, okay? Wait for the bullish engulfment candle to form. It still hasn't formed yet, but just wait, okay? Please, like, just wait, and that's the best advice I can give you. And right here, we got the bullish engulfment candle. Look at this green candle. It engulfed this black candle before it. Entry right over there. You're not going to change anything you do. Stop loss below the low, and then where you can take profit is again 1 to 2 RR, or you can do something higher than that if you would like. This one ends up running way higher than 1 to 2. However, I'm a real trader. I'm teaching you real stuff here. 1 to 2 RR is completely fine. Okay, so right here, this is the final example I'll show you, and this is the one which can confuse you out a lot. Anyway, is this a red line or is it green line? It's a green line. That means it should enter sells, not buys. Okay, so our trading times formed right over here. Now we look for sells, right? So we wait for buy side liquidity to be taken out. This is a high, so you can wait for this one to be taken out, and this high right before it is also high. So now let's go on the 5 minute time frame, wait for that to be taken out. We don't enter anything. There you go, price took it out. However, as soon as it took it out, we never had a bearish engulfment candle of a body, as you can see. So we just wait until we got that. You might say, well, we've got one right here, but there is this high also literally just above it, which I would wait for price to take out, okay? There you go, price to take out. Even if you were to have entered right here, let's just say right over there, you could have probably caught a few pips right here, so a 1-to-1 RR. But let's just say you missed that one, price took out this liquidity, and then straight away we had this bearish engulfment candle. As soon as price took out this liquidity, as you can see, this black candle engulfs the body of this green candle. Entry just like this, and then where you can take profit again, same exact thing. You can do 1 to 2 and you'll make a lot of money by literally using this strategy right here. And again, if you want to learn 2 way better strategies than this, link in the description below, $50 lifetime. And if you want me to pass your funded challenge for you guaranteed in under 30 days, again, link in the description below. And yeah, your life will change by the 2 services which I do offer right there, okay? Follow my Instagram at bills_smc or trader bills. Join the mentorship today. If you want me to pass your funded challenge for you again, guaranteed, link in the description below. That's it from me, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed, hopefully you learned something, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.